Maybe you haven't thought of it before, but adding a drone to your travel arsenal might not only be a fun idea, but a good idea. It takes your travels to a whole other dimension. I can think of 3 reasons to get a drone right off the bat.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me.
Number 1, aerial photography and videography. Drones allow RVers and travelers in general to capture stunning aerial photographs and videos of their surroundings. With a drone, you can easily capture breathtaking shots of scenic landscapes, mountains, lakes, and other natural attractions from unique perspectives. It adds a new dimension to documenting your RV adventures and helps create memorable visual content for sharing with family and friends. Number 2, exploring remote areas. RVers often travel to remote and off-the-grid locations where access can be challenging. Drones equipped with GPS and obstacle avoidance systems can be used to scout ahead and explore areas that may be difficult or unsafe to reach on foot or by vehicle. They provide an opportunity to assess the terrain, identify potential camping spots, and discover hidden gems without having to navigate those difficult terrains. There are roads we've driven into and where we've used the drone to check if up ahead was passable for a travel trailer, as well as if there were places to turn around, etc. And related to that, number 3, safety and security. Drones can enhance the safety and security of an RVer. By flying a drone around your campsite or RV, you can monitor your surroundings, check for potential hazards, and identify any wildlife or intrusions nearby. Drones can also help in locating lost items or pets, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind while enjoying your RV adventures. So instead of a how-to, I want to give you kind of a what I do and introduce you to drones. They're easier than ever to fly and use, and the quality of video is amazing. There are quite a few drone manufacturers out there, but the brand I find the easiest to use and most reliable is DJI. DJI makes everything from entry-level drones to drones used for major motion pictures. But for occasional use travelers, I would recommend the DJI Mini series. This gives you high-definition pictures as well as around 30 minutes of flight time. Decent drones are not inexpensive. The cheapest Mini is around $300, but you're buying reliability and ease of flying that you don't get in other bargain brands. When I was in the market for my drone, here's what I looked for. I wanted it lightweight, I wanted it compact, I wanted 4K video since I post everything at 4K from this channel, rock solid GPS. I wanted to be able to push home and have the drone come right back to me automatically, especially at the price they are. Finally, I wanted good stability and moderate wind. So here's my choice, got it right here in front of me, the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the Flymore kit. Let's open this baby up together and see what we've got. Okay, so we're going to open up the Mini 3 Pro here. You see when you open it, you see very well packed is the Mini 3 Pro. So let's show you that. You see, when I said I wanted it compact, it's pretty compact. Everything folds up, so you can just unfold these props and these props, and you can set it like this. The camera is located under this cover, and it's pretty easy to get the cover back on. Along with your Mini 3 Pro, I'll show you the controller here. And this controller comes as an all-in-one, so you can see the screen and the little knobs go on there, and they store back here. So if you've got a bag that's kind of full, you can pull these off and you can store them so you don't break them off, as you can see. So that's pretty good right there. It's also nice is they give you a few extra things. First of all, they give you a screwdriver. It's the screwdriver size for these small screws that you change the blades with if you need to. They give you a charging cable, and they give you an extra set of propellers. You want to make sure when you use the propellers that you put the propellers in the proper locations, and they mark them on the packages really easily. They're not that expensive, and the directions are in here. Flymore kit comes with a bag, as you can see. So let's open that up. So the Flymore kit comes with its own bag, and this is an okay bag. It's fairly nice. So if you take the bag and open it up, inside of it, along with 2 extra batteries, and I bought the batteries that have the extended life on them. Right here, along with the 2 extra batteries, is a battery charger, which is very nice, and just plugs into a charger of any kind, a USB charger. And you can see that these come like that. And up here, they also give you extra props and an extra charging cable. So all of this can go into this bag, and it fits fairly well. But I decided to kick it up a notch. So I went to Amazon, and for about $35, I got this case that has area molded in it. And as you can see, it's not that much bigger than the Flymore bag. But what I like about it is I can take the charger and I can put it in this way, and I can leave the little props there. You can take the drone, put the propellers in between the landing gear here, and then place it down into the case. I've got room then for my battery charger. I bought this on special where they gave you a free extra battery, and I can put that into here. And I've also got room here if I want for extra things, or these also fit batteries. So I could have 6 batteries if I really wanted to, but I think this will be plenty what I have now. What I liked about this case was the top area where things could be put in here. This is a wide angle lens for the Mini 3 Pro, and I can put that in here. I'm going to take my extra propellers, put them in here, put my charging cable in here, and as you can see, I can close this right up. And I've got a good carrying case with a strap. Now you can get this set up with a controller with no screen, or you can use your cell phone in conjunction with the drone to control it for around $780 US. But I highly recommend the controller with the screen. Having used both, I can say that having that all-in-one controller makes me much more likely to use the drone, and it's much easier to set up and fly. But that setup is a little over $900. Remember, the Mini SE, a great little drone, is complete for only $299. You can also add what they call the Fly More kit. This kit comes with a case, 2 extra batteries, a charger, extra props for an extra $189, or with extended flight time batteries for $249. Now, I'm not a big advocate of extended warranties, but DJI has a 1 or 2 year plan which also includes flyaway insurance for reasonable prices, and I would highly recommend budgeting that in, especially if you're a new pilot. As a final caveat, I'd like to remind you that there are places you're not allowed to fly a drone. National parks and airports are off limits, totally. But there are apps out there that will let you know where it's safe and legal to fly. Now, if you'd like me to cover how to fly a drone, how to determine where and when you can fly, just let me know in the comments and I'll make that an episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this interesting and helpful. I'd also like to hear from you. What kind of drone do you have? Do you fly a drone? Did I forget something really important that our other subscribers should know? Put it in the comments. And also please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more people find our content. We're on a quest for 500 new subscribers and we're getting closer each week. If you have any subjects you'd like covered, please leave those ideas in the comment section and we'll consider them. For Karen, Wesley, and myself, I wish you happy travels. See you next time. And now I'm gonna go fly my drone.